Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Javohir, and in today's video we're gonna go through everything you need to smash and defeat your IELTS Speaking Part 3. First we're gonna look at the basics, as always, and then we'll move on into super dope crispy structure that you can use in your Part 3. At the end of the video we're gonna do a little mock test and I'm gonna be answering a couple of Part 3 questions. So without further ado, let's get into it. So there are several basic but yet essential stuff that you should keep in mind when you're doing your Part 3. So first of all, there are 3 to 6 questions and you'll be given about 4 to 5 minutes to answer all those. So you have to give long and detailed answers. If you do the math, you'll multiply 5 minutes to 60 seconds and you get 300 seconds, and if you divide by 6 questions you'll get roughly 50 seconds for each question. So basically it is half of Part 2 and double of Part 1. So think about the lengths and the importance of detail in this manner, keeping in mind that it's going to be half of the Part 2 and the double of Part 1. So now let's move on into our super dope crispy structure. I always use this structure whenever I'm talking in Part 3 questions, whenever I'm answering Part 3 questions, so I think that you will definitely benefit from this structure. First thing that I need to mention is that it's almost like a body paragraph of writing task 2. It starts from the thesis, so the sentence that is the main point, the answer. For example, if they are asking you, do you think that the online shopping is becoming more popular than ever, then just say yes or not. And just give an answer that is going to be like your thesis statement. So don't forget that. So you always need to start from answering the question. And then move on to giving a question why. So why do you think this is? And then it's like a loop. You ask why after each your statement. Why did you say this statement? Why are you supporting this statement? Or why are you refuting the statement? So keep going why until you cannot go anymore. Then at the end of the answer, you'll probably, and it's a best practice, to give some example to solidify and to prove your idea. And if it's possible, just maybe if you've got such a chance, if the question is this kind of, then give an alternative view. There is a fourth spot that is not always applicable, but if it's possible, look at the issue from a different perspective. Give reasons for other people to think differently, and this is going to really upscale your score because you're looking at, so it's not like only about, you're not only considering your opinion but also you're giving praise or you're giving credits for opinion of other people. And the focus of Part 3 is not grammar, it's not vocabulary or whatever else, it is just answering the question very well. Giving detailed and fully explained, well supported answer is the thing that you need to do in your Part 3. So have a detailed and explained answer and always keep in mind the structure, and if you always keep in mind the structure, you will never be defeated by Part 3. Why do some people enjoy eating out? Well, I think basically people like to go out and eat in a restaurant or a cafe or any outdoor location for dining, probably because they want to save some of their time. So as many people know, cooking and process involved at cooking and processes after washing dishes are really time consuming and they waste a lot of time. That's why many people just prefer to go out and eat their food somewhere else. Or there is a lot of hustle involved in cooking. For example, you need to prepare dishes, you need to think about the recipes, and it's all no-brainer. So many people, it makes them stressful. That's why they just try to avoid that, and that's why I think that they really like to go out. So this is the basic 2 reasons why I would love to go out. If I'm having a tight schedule, if I don't have time to prepare myself a meal, I'll go out. Or if I don't really feel like doing that kind of stuff and I don't feel like spending all this time and all this nerves on cooking, then I'll probably go out and eat my meal somewhere else. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and of course, as always, let me know your opinion in the comment section below. See you until next videos.